them. Log on and move on that 8. Move on that 8. Quinn, let's go. Don't get dropped on the field. Stay up with that women's 8. Go. Come on. Cut it off a little sooner, Quinn. She's in a category called lightweight, so she's actually, that's like a pretty small weight. He's a lightweight still. Matt, go just a little bit to port, just a touch to port, and then straight back. Touch the port, straight back. All right, Emily, start heading to port. Start heading to port. Dog leg to port in the pair. Dog leg to port. In the pair, dog leg to port. Callaway to port. Start making the turn.
Your port or their port?
Their port. Good, right there, Callaway, go. Abby in the pair, you need to come to port. Jesse, go to port. Push.